Welcome to my garden tour. We're going to start on the back end side. So this is over where my paint station is. And I want to show you, just picked up some dandelion seeds from this baby here. That's dandelion. You can tell from the single flower stem, which these flowers on their own will look similar to some of the thistles that are growing over there somewhere. The little jaggedy leaves, and they're smooth. There's no like spiny thorns on the back of them. That's dandelion. And then we've got some other succulents. Oh, see, this one's a thistle, I think. And then we've got that. Got a bunch of pots to paint. Got to get to that soon. And other babies. Over here we've got the aloe vera. Not aloe vera. That's like, I think, candelabra aloe. Those are some babies that need some love. They need someone to come rescue them and give them some pots and stuff. We got these purple flowers on this kind of oxalia. I don't know how to pronunciate that. Orchid cactus here, some other stuff. Swiss chard. I think this is a baby of this Brazilian, so you see the tip here, Brazilian pepper tree. Those are peppercorns, and they are so beautiful for holiday decorations. They're just so pretty. The birds love this tree, but you can see it loves to make babies, and so there's like, I think technically multiple trees in there that makes like one big shrubbery of a tree, but I love it for my little canopy in here. It's just so cozy. It's just so cozy to just sit right here. I wish you could feel it from the, it's a different, when you like sit there, the energy is different, but then looking at it, it looks kind of messy. But anyways, green anemonium, sweet potatoes, the actual potatoes, not the vine. Some tomato that's hanging on. Oh, beautiful baby. Yeah, you're bouncing back a little bit. That's good. Nasturtium. There's also a pineapple under here. Pineapples take forever to grow, so I don't expect to have a pineapple for another year or two. Those guys, I think that's rock purslane, I believe. Got some geraniums. There used to be mint in here. There should be mint in here as well. Mint doesn't really go away. Blue chalk fingers, jade, anoniums. These are my gaillardias, and they are hanging in. Everything needs to kind of get watered today, so hopefully babies will bounce back once I water them. Sorry, I can't not prune while I show things. Anyways, my hydrangea has looked better, but she's my sweet little baby, and she will look gorgeous in no time. Look at that growth. Yes, and look at those growth down there, and look how beautiful her blooms were last season. And I've been letting some of them just dry on the stem. Whoopsies, broke some off. I think I still have garlic in here, and my mini roses and other things that popped up. What are you? You look familiar. Did I shove you in there? Some celery over there that popped up, aloe vera, some other things. These guys still are not cherry trees, I don't think. I think I ended up with more citrus trees somehow. But I don't remember planting a bunch of citrus seeds, so I'm not sure how those are not cherry trees, turned into citrus. I don't know. Anywho's. I need to always take photos. I did probably, but they're probably buried somewhere, so we'll have to figure that out. Their life journey. There's another pineapple. My ginger had died back. We'll see if it pops back up. Tomato. This is one of the babies of the mama aloe vera over there that needs some love. But the baby's looking beautiful, as are the other babies over there. Broccoli throughout, longevity spinach, pencil cactus, aka fire sticks, more nasturtium and green onions, nasturtium, more mini roses, geranium, pink ones, red ones, loquat. This has a random of things in there now because I'm like, what else can I try to get to grow in here? And then some wild stuff grew, like these thistles. So this is not dandelion, but you can see the flower can look kind of similar, especially when it's young and short, but it grows in multiple things. So I think this one's sow thistle, but there's a couple different thistles I think that grow back here, so I have to look up the name of the other one that I discovered back here as well. This one's plantain plantago. Those are the flowers that turn into the seeds, and then the leaves and such you can crush up and make into like a salve and use it for itches. And then here it is down here as well. it's growing throughout along these edges. I'm trying to get it to grow like in a row right here and then like keep the rest of this clear, but I'll have to come and trim this back some point soon. Geranium. This is my lemon tree that I was gifted. So this one I know is a lemon tree. And you can see citrus usually have thorns on the stems, and then they have leaves like this. And these ones are yellowing because they're getting inconsistent watering and they need me to be more consistent. Poor babies. This broccoli is so tall. She just loves to grow so tall on me. She has a little baby sister down here that's like, I'm here too. Oh no, this one died back. Aw, okay. Love you guys. But yeah, so you'll see this has the thorns like the citrus and leaves like the citrus. So these babies apparently are not my cherry trees. But that's okay. They're growing tall and beautiful, and I love it. They still love, lots of love, but I definitely got to get them in better shape. And these are my, I think, Pequin peppers. And then my other cherry. This one's younger, but again, it's got the thorns and the leaves, just like citrus. So, yay. Beets, more trees. Love you all, love you all, love you all, love you all. Okay, I just showed them all love. Dragon fruit over here. And then we got more green onions. Stepping on some wood sorrel. Wood sorrel. This has like a soury, these stems have like a soury taste. If you break off one of these stems and chew on it, it has like a sweet and sour kind of taste. That is not the same. Various grasses growing back here. That's my passion fruit in a pot. There's also more passion fruit over there in one of the raised beds. This is my avocado. Look how beautiful you are, my beautiful avocado. Yes. Look at this trunk. Look at the trunk. Look how solid that baby is. Oh, you're such a good baby. And then this is where my parent green onions were, but I think this one's actually one of the babies, not one of the OGs. And then more things, more puppies. I skipped over something else, green onions or something. Dragon fruit I showed you, yeah. Blackberry, I gotta cut this baby back because we don't want her spreading like she does down the alleyway. So I definitely gotta get her not to go in the ground like she's trying to do right there. Naughty little thing. Tomatoes. My prayer circle. Just still gotta fix this rug. We'll probably roll it out, extend it back a bit, and we'll see how that looks. And then I'll put the lid back on there, the pot back on there, and it'll look really nice, along with the birdie bath over here. Candelua, however you say that. More tomatoes, more, the mallow grows on its own, and I just let it stay in some places. It grows pretty easily back here. So this is one that's just, I'm just letting it be. Many roses, hello beautiful, look at your beautiful color, yes. I'm gonna trim off some of those yucky leaves though. Got some kale over there, some red scarlet salvia, other things up there. Lily turf, aka lyrope. I think I said it right this time. And then over there we've got black rosinonium with some beautiful flowers. It's flowering, I love it, so beautiful. More blackberry, kiwi anonium up there, some string of bananas. We have string of pearls around here somewhere, I think on the other side. Some more mint, green onion, candelua, lyrope, the aloe, etc. Sweet potatoes, more anoniums, etc., etc. We've got the OG parent blackberry there. I think the mallow that was there died back. That's all right. Other things growing in there. These broccolis that are looking so beautiful. Rosemary and that turtle. We've got this dress cassia. I don't think I'm saying that right. Spelling. You'll have to look at the spelling. Kiwi anonium there. This I was told was also a geranium, but I haven't seen it bloom yet, so we'll see what those flowers are like. I don't think, or maybe I did, and it was like tiny flowers. I don't know. They're different than the other geraniums, though. Mini roses, other things in there. I think some more dandelion in there. This one is a baby of the Brazilian pepper tree. There's also one over there somewhere. Strawberries and that turtle. You strawberries. Look at those strawberries. Look at them. Strawberries. I love those. Lots more wood sorrel. Wood sorrel. How do you say that? My thyme over there. Thyme. Keep saying that wrong. And over here.
Oh, jalapeno, how you doing, baby? Hello. Good baby. Okay.
Flapjacks. I think I called them flapperjacks last time. Mini roses, longevity spinach, my kale, mini roses, mint, aloe vera. This is just shoved in there. I don't expect that to actually sprout, but if it did, that'd be so cool and beautiful and amazing. Would love if that cutting made it.
Dude, tomatoes, you're hanging in.
This one broke off of some tomato over there, and I put it in here to try to rescue it. Green ammonium, not green ammonium, kiwi ammonium, etc., jade, pseudium. I think it's a golden glow, maybe. Over here as well, and then some celery. This guy, I don't know the exact variety, but I think it's a cross between echeveria and the other one, the grap something. I have to spell it out.
I can't pronunciate it right now, but isn't she beautiful? She's so beautiful. Look at her little babies popping up there.
And we got the Transcantia padilla or whatever. I call it Purple Heart. It's easier to call it Purple Heart. And she's up there in a couple places as well. More mini roses. These babies could have grown so much if I could give it more space. So those babies need to get in a bigger pot ASAP. Another type of jade. That's the regular jade I know. More aloe, more green ammonium, lots of cuttings, more of that, more of those things I showed you. Other things, more other things. There's my passion fruit. It's my broccoli. There's green longevity spinach over here somewhere too. Mini roses, mint, oregano's in there somewhere. That one has a lot going on. More beets. My figs. I love my fig trees. More strawberries, more jade, other things. More of that.
Uh-oh, you got bumped it again. And this poor little squirrely needs its head surgery. It needs head surgery. Poor little squirrely. We'll have to fix you. Who keeps bumping you over, though? Like, for reals? This one's fake. But we like the pot because it says, like, mini garden on it. And it has a little doggy, and so it goes with our animal pots. And it's cute. And if I could break that out and free it and make actual plants in there, that'd be even better, but alas. Oh, no, you're, like, drowning. We gotta drain you. You get the hair in this one. The hair, like, this one looks so good in this. I love that. Finally, like, found, like, ooh, that goes so well in that pot. I love when that happens, when you find, like, the right balance for the plant that goes the best in that pot. Oh no, you guys look so thirsty.
Hello. Hey, you my figgy fig figs. You're so cute. Oh no, my mini roses. Yikes. Gotta drain you some more still. Okay, hopefully I'll do that before I go upstairs. Other things, lots of things to make, and so forth.
Yep.
Lots of things. All right, that about does it for today. And then, yeah, we gotta clean up and tidy up this area big time. It's like getting way over. We're gonna take these and put them over. Oh wait, I have my dandelion seeds in there. Whoops. Okay, well, we'll separate that. All right, anyways. And then this tile, look how beautiful this tile is. It's so pretty. I wish I could cover this entire space. Wouldn't that look so pretty? That would be so gorgeous if this whole section was with that tile. Oh, so beautiful. Like, I thought this one was prettier than, you know, like the mauve before. And I'm so bummed I couldn't get, like, when I went back for the rest of these, they got taken. But, so it's like mismatched, but alas, you work with what you got. All right. And it's come a long way. It's so beautiful, but it's also needs some TLC big time.